theaters. And it did give me everything that I would have ever dreamt of with that film. I think it is great because it kind of gives you a little more liberty of doing different kinds of stories, different kind of roles, stories that need to be heard probably, that may not be your general, massy commercial, but have their own audience. And I think the audience that is in theaters and the audience that watches a lot of world cinema on, Netflix and OTT platforms is different, and there is an intersection. But there's also a certain audience that likes watching like different kinds of cinema. And I think one of the reasons why even Dopati, we felt like Netflix was the perfect partner for it because of the global reach that it has. It's present in 120 plus countries, and it sort of, gives you a lot more global reach for a topic like this. We want this film, we want what is being said in the film to reach maximum amount of audiences, no matter where they are, because domestic violence is an issue that's not just pertaining to only India, it's everywhere. And I'm just so happy that it's been trending globally, that it's been watched globally, and people have felt it globally, because it's an issue that every, third household might have it. And we don't openly talk about it. So when a platform like Netflix talks about it with a film that is trying to entertain and then say something, I think it makes an impact.
100%. It's absolutely, I think it's wonderful. You brought up the subject about global impact. Netflix also, I think, has done many series that actually are led by women. Very strong, empowered roles. Is that also one of the reasons? I know because for you as a producer, it's not always only about the numbers. You're someone who also likes to work with people who are like-minded. A lot of content that they've done is also led by women and extremely strong roles. Did that also make you want to partner with them, because it was your first outing?
I think we just felt aligned on the script and for what it said. That was my reason. I think I've had a great debut with Mimi technically on it, and my debut as a producer again on Netflix. And it's giving me a lot of love, both the films. And I just feel like they back strong content. They back content that just says something except for just entertaining. And they have very varied kind of content on Netflix. So I think that was one of the reasons why we instantly just felt like, okay, this film just needs to be made.
100%. As a producer as well, of course, we all know that she has an excellent production house called Blue Butterfly Films. Blue Butterfly Films also is special because this was the first outing and it's already a hit. So that's clearly working out for you. It's great. Gives us the thought that you're going to take this forward, right? Like, imagine this is the first time producer taking it heads on, and you chose a subject like domestic violence along with other things in the film. But that makes me come to my question. What is your vision now for your production house? What are the kind of films that you want to choose? If your outing is this strong, I know it also gives me a feeling that you're going to go all out with your production house next.
To be honest, I haven't found my next butterfly. I haven't found it yet.
I like to call it the butterfly.
But I feel like this butterfly fly a little bit, find her way. And I just know that whatever we do at Blue Butterfly Films has to have some heart in it, in some form. Like that is something, the kind of films that I feel for the most. In fact, when I was shooting for Mimi, I was just so passionate about the film, and I just felt so much for the film that I wanted to be involved in every aspect. And that's when the thought of producing came into my head. When I was like, if I'm feeling so much and I know that I'm creatively, have a creative bent of mind, I want to be involved in not just being an actor, but also how the film is made, how the story is told. Then I should also start producing, and hopefully at some point, I hope Blue Butterfly Films is also producing stories where I'm not starring in, where maybe I'm not the best cast for that character. And I wanted to expand. So Let the Butterfly, it just started flying, let her expand her wings, find her way,